How to add filter on WhatsApp video call. To add a filter while doing a video call in WhatsApp, then this video is for you. If you go through the WhatsApp and hit on the setting gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, there you will not see any option to enable the filter on WhatsApp video call. That means there is no any feature available on WhatsApp that enables filter while doing video call. But what you can do is simply hit on the App Store and search for WhatsApp Beauty Camera. Then it will suggest you different platform where you can have filter on your video call. This is the only way to add filter on WhatsApp video call. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.